Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you step by step how you can change your Instagram account to a creator account. Let's start. First, open Instagram. Now at the bottom left of the screen, you will see 3 lines. Click on those 3 lines. After you click, a new screen will open. On this screen, click on Settings. Now another screen will open. From here, you need to scroll down slowly. Keep scrolling until you see the option called Account Type and Tools. Once you find Account Type and Tools, click on it. Now a new screen will open. Here, click on Switch to Professional Account. After clicking on it, you will see 2 options on the screen. The first option is Creator, and the second option is Business. If you want to post mainly about your business, your shop, or your company, only then you should choose the Business option. Otherwise, if you create content, post videos, reels, or personal content, then you should select the Creator option. In this tutorial, I'm selecting Creator. After selecting Creator, click on Next. On the next screen, click on Next again. Now you will be asked to choose a category for your account. This category helps Instagram understand what type of content you create. Here, you simply select the category you want. I select the Tech category. After selecting the category, click on Done. Now you will see a small pop-up on the screen. Click on Continue. And that's it. Congratulations. Your Instagram account has now been successfully changed into a professional creator account.